Good noon, everyone. Today discuss about in a mass transfer operation 2, unit number 6, crystallization. Okay. તો જોઈશું આજે આપણે મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ઓફ ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝર. એના પ્રીવિયસ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે ઓસ્લો અને ક્રિસ્ટલાઇઝેશન જોયું હતું. મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ જોઈશું, હાઉ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ધ yield, ધીસ વન, અને એના સમ એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું આપણે. ધીસ વન ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ધ yield અને એનર્જી બેલેન્સ ઇક્વેશન્સ, અને નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ જોઈશું. તો સ્ટાર્ટ કરીએ. ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ધ એનર્જી બેલેન્સ, મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ. The material balance are used to calculate the yield of a crystallization operation, which is the mass of crystal obtained from a given mass of solution. Okay, that one. Which one? This figure. Simply, the material balance are used to calculate the yield. Okay, yield ની definition આપણે સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં જોઈ ગયા છે. Of the crystallization operation, which is the mass of crystals obtained from a given of mass solution. Simply, is a one type of the crystallizer is a feed solution. Main is a feed. Okay, this one is a F and XF is a mole fractions for a feed. And this crystallizer, for which one figure, consider the crystallization process carried out the under steady state conditions shown in a figure. This basis. Okay, shown in a figure. This one for a evaporated solvent V and a mother liquid and crystal C, crystal growth. That could be the find out any situations and consider the crystallization process carried out under steady state conditions and shown in a figure. This is one basis. Okay, this is a simply figure diagram in a feed solution. Mole fractions is a weight fraction also. Crystallizer, evaporated solvent V, mother liquid L and a crystal C. And consider the crystallization process carried out under steady state conditions and shown in this figure. So what is the notifications part in this material balance? Okay, F with the mass flow rate of feed solution in a kg per hour, and the X dash F with the weight fractions of anhydrous solute in the feed solution also part. What is the F? Feed solutions, याद रखो પડશે. With the mass flow rate of feed solution in kg per hour with the weight fractions of anhydrous solute in the feed solution. Okay, with the kg per hour in this crystal obtained, which one the C, capital C, with the kg per hour of a crystal obtained part, and V is equal to the mass flow rate of evaporated solvent in a kg per hour. Which one is the capital V, evaporated solvent, this one. Okay, feed solution. And the mother liquid L. So what is the L? Okay, then એના પહેલા જોઈએ આપણે capital V, જે જોયું આપણે mass evaporated solvent. And the X dash to be the solubility of this solute and the final temperature of any operations, expressed as the weight ratio of anhydrous salt and the salt to be solvent. Which one? X dash be the solubility of this solute and the final temperature of operation expressed as the weight ratio of anhydrous salt and to be the solvent. Okay, the M1 with the molecular weight of anhydrous solute salt, this basis is a capital M1, and the M2 with the molecular weight of the hydrated salt, this basis. So what is the L dash? To be the kg per hour of solvent in this mother liquid. Okay, is the shown in a figure 11.18. This is just simply find out this on a problem. Okay, and the L dash be the kg per hour of solvent is the liquid. with the kg per hour of mother liquor leaving the crystals also crystallizer. Okay, then after the find the overall material balance this equation basis. Okay, જે સ્ટાર્ટિંગ માં આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે ને, which one? This one. ઓવરઓલ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ જોવાના છે આપણે. તો ઓવરઓલ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ કેપિટલ F is equal to C plus L plus V. So what is the F? F be the mass flow rate of the feed solution in a kg per hour, and X dash be the weight fractions of anhydrous solute in the feed solution. Okay, and L is equal to the kg per hour mother liquor leaving the crystallizer, and V is equal to the, what is the V? Evaporated solvent. Then the material balance of a solvent solvent in a feed is equal to solvent plus solvent evaporated plus solvent in a mother liquor plus solvent in a hydrated crystals also. The F into 1 minus X dash F is equal to V plus L dash plus M2 minus M1 upon M2 multiply C. So rearranging these above equations, which one? The solvent in a feed is equal to F multiply F1 minus X dash F. Solvent evaporated શું છે આપણી પાસે V છે, પ્લસ સોલ્વન્ટ ઇન અ મધર લિક્વાર કયું છે આપણી પાસે L dash છે, અને સોલ્વન્ટ ઇન અ હાઇડ્રેટેડ ક્રિસ્ટલ્સ which one? M2 minus M1 upon M2 multiplied C. તો rearranging this equation બહુ ઓકે, તો L dash ને આપણે કરતા બનાવીએ, L dash ને કરતા બનાવીએ. તો F is equal to L dash is equal to F 1 minus X dash F અને minus V minus multiplied M2 minus M1 upon M2 તો multiply C. તો જે ઇક્વેશન્સ 11.3 છે એને આપણે મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ ફોર સોલ્યુટમાં લઈ જઈએ. ઓકે, ઓવરઓલ મટીરિયલ બેલેન્સ આપણે જોયું કે સોલ્વન્ટ ઇન અ ફીડ ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ ઇવોપોરેટેડ and the solvent in a mother liquor plus solvent in a hydrated crystals. Then equations કઈ આવે છે? F multiplied 1 minus X dash F અને V plus L dash plus M2 minus M1 upon M2 multiply C આવે છે. Okay, the rearranging these above equations we get the L dash is equal to F multiply 1 minus X dash F minus V minus M2 minus M1 upon M2 multiplied C. The material balance of solute, the solute is in a feed is equal to solute as a product crystals plus solute in a mother liquor. So F multiply X dash F is equal to C multiply M1 by M2 plus F1 minus X dash F minus V minus M2 minus M1 value put કરી છે ખાલી, બીજું કશું નથી કર્યું. Okay, M2 minus M1 upon M2 multiply C in a bracket whole X dash. Then in these crystals obtain anhydrous. Then above equation take the following form, where F into X dash F is equal to C plus F multiplied 1 minus X dash F minus V, so multiply X dash. If the crystals obtained are anhydrous, the above equation take the following form, this one. The F X dash S is equal to C plus F multiply 1 minus X dash F minus V, so multiply X dash. Okay, if no evaporation take place and anhydrous salts are the crystallized, then the V is equal to 0 and the equations 10.5 or becomes there. The F multiply X dash F is equal to C plus in a F in a bracket 1 minus X dash F whole bracket is over X dash. Okay, the capital C, the kg per hour of crystals obtained anhydrous for hydrated and is the yield of this process is the percentage yield of the crystals is equal to amount of solute crystallized by amount of solute in a feed solution multiplied 100. Okay, then simply energy balancing equations જોઈશું આપણે this one basis. Okay, not is important, already discussion part is there and then previous lecture માં આપણે yield ના example જોઈશું 2-3 છે તે. Okay, energy balance આ example આપણે previous lecture માં જોઈશું. Energy balance calculation part is the crystallization process is essential which one is to determine the cooling requirement to determine the final conditions in this calculation part. Okay, which one the calculation part for a determine this value in this calculation heat of crystallization is important and it is the latent heat evolved when the crystals are form a solution. Generally the crystallization process is exothermic and the heat of the crystallization varies with the temperature and the concentration. Okay, the heat of the crystallizations are not available but the heat of the solution that are available. The process of the crystallization is the reserve of the dissolutions. Therefore the heat of the solutions in this heat of the dissolutions with a reverse the sign is taken as the heat of the crystallization. The heat of crystallization is equal to the minus heat of the solutions. In case the ionic cooling of the crystallizer with no evaporations, the heat balance is 1, heat to be removed is equal to capital Q is equal to FCPF delta T plus C lambda C when the specific data are available for in the initial feed द्वारा. Okay, when specific heat data are available for the initial feed solution over a range of this temperature and the heat of to be removed equal to the heat to be removed to cool the feed and from the initial temperature capital T1 to the final temperature T2 such that the T1 greater than T2 without any crystal the precipitating the plus the heat of liberated the evolved due to the formation of the crystal from the supersaturated solution and the final temperature the heat with the solution T1 and the heat liberated due to the crystallization is equal to the heat with the solution T2 and the heat to be removed this one. Simply the FCP T1 plus C lambda C is equal to FCP T2 plus Q. The Q is equal to the FCP T1 minus FCP T2 plus C lambda C is equal to FCP delta T plus lambda C. Okay, simply the what is the final the yield equations જે જોયું આપણે C kg per hour crystal obtained for anhydrous per hydrated and is the yield of this process is the percentage of yield crystals is equal to the amount of solid crystallized and amount of solid in this feed. Okay, and the classification by cooling this no evaporation simply notification part is there the valid from this crystallization by cooling and with the no evaporation. Delta T is equal to cooling range T1 minus T2 where T1 greater than T2. CPF is equal to the specific heat of feed solution kilojoule per kilogram into Kelvin and the F is equal to feed or feed rate kg or kg per hour. The C is equal to crystal form kg or kg per hour and the lambda C heat of the crystallizations and the Q is equal to UA delta TLM. Okay, log mean temperature LMTD. ઓકે વોટ ઇઝ ડેલ્ટા TLM જે આપણે PhDમાં ઓલરેડી ભણી ગયા છે. Q is equal to UA delta TLM is equal to MC CPC, and this is a specific heat T2 minus T1, where MC is the mass flow rate of this coolant and CPC is the specific heat of this coolant. T1 and T2 are the inlet and the outlet temperature of this coolant. Okay, delta TLM is equal to T1 minus small t2 minus capital T2 minus small t1 divided by ln. So T1 minus T2 and T2 minus T1. This is all term, this notification part. Okay, this is over of the part completely. Energy balance and material balance. Okay, it is no evaporation take place. This any headers simply percentage yield equations. Amount of solid crystallized divided by amount of solid in this solid solution multiplied 100. Thank you so much.